It's the corner of shame.
So this is the new apartment before we moved in. Showing you the kitchen area. I believe it was a bit bigger than the last one, or maybe about the same size, but it has a lot of cabinet space. The appliances are nice and new. We've got a nice big pantry to keep all our food in. Next is our laundry room. Got a nice new washer dryer. We come out to the living room. Really big open space. And you can see we have a little balcony area. Ours looks out to the forest area. There is a giant tree in the way, but that doesn't really matter that much. I don't like to be outside anyways. Now we're going down the hallway. You can see in the bathroom, it's a really nice space. They use this space way better than any other one. You've got a nice big linen closet, good size vanity, big mirror, and a nice tub, perfect for taking bubble baths. Across from that is our bedroom. It's pretty good size. The walls are gray, which I like that color for walls inside. Carpet is also a dark gray, and then we've got our big walk-in closet. Here's our new apartment after we moved in. Of course, if you could like and subscribe, that would be great. Behold, millions of things. So here's the apartment, just overall view of the big common area. You've got stools for the kitchen, because it doesn't have a dining area. So we've got all our most used appliances out, all our huge utensils out. Display our many Cokes. As you can see, we've got those with our name on it. You can see our console table, and Sophie, who followed me the entire video, so you will see her the whole time. Our laundry area, now with laundry in it. Our pantry, full of all the snacks. If you know me at all, I snack all the time. So there are all our millions of snacks, food, kitty food. The cats love to go in there whenever we open the door. But for some reason, Sophie came out without a problem that time. In the living room, got our same things, sofa, our lamps, TV stand, our TV, a Sophie on the kitty's favorite chair. You can see their kitty tower and their kitty bed. And then again outside, we didn't actually have anything yet, just some storage items outside. But eventually we'll probably want to put furniture out there. So stay tuned for that. And we've got our desk area, displaying a lot of our superhero things. We have some practical things in there. We got Evan's large computer, my Cricut printer, the baby's toy corner, my large shelf with all my books, some photographs and things like that. Then moving on, our little hallway with the giant mirror. Perfect selfie mirror. Got birthday stickers on there. And our coat closet, now with coats, our wet back, our shoe rack, and some storage up top. We got the water heater in that one, so that one's not important. Our bathroom, now with all of our bathroom things in it. We've got a TV in there because we had an extra TV, and that's perfect for when we're taking a bath and want to relax. Got, of course, Spider-Man curtains because Spider-Man is my favorite. There's a Sophie. Now our linen closet is full of stuff, cleaning things, medicine, extra blankets, extra towels, rags, and all that kind of stuff. Tried to get Sophie to get out. She decided this time she wanted to stay in the closet, so I left her in there. Next is the bedroom. Got the dresser, the bed, TV, all that same stuff, normal stuff people have. The little baby kitty tower. Closet, now full of my millions of clothes and bags, shoes, because of course they couldn't all fit in the closet. My robes and my Spider-Man onesie, all very important, must be hung up. We've got my laundry baskets, lamp, my vanity, now with 2 to 3 times more the amount of makeup that I had before because my cousin gave me more makeup. It even overspilled into an extra bin. And there, all the stuff we didn't want to put away. And there's Sophie again, like I said, following me the whole time. She's my little shadow. So yeah, that was my apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions for our apartment, please put them down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.
Hey, pretty girl.